Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade mint sauce full guide. Start by gathering fresh mint, white vinegar, sugar, and salt, and set a clean bowl and measuring spoons nearby. Chop mint finely, measure vinegar and sugar, and taste as you go. I will guide you through simple ratios, timing for maceration, and how to adjust sweetness and tang so your sauce complements lamb, vegetables. Begin by chopping mint leaves very finely and remove any thick stems so the sauce is smooth. Warm the vinegar slightly and stir in the sugar until fully dissolved to create an even sweet and tart base. Mix the chopped mint into the vinegar syrup, season with a pinch of salt, and let it sit for at least 15 minutes so the flavors marry beautifully before tasting and adjusting. For small tweaks, try white wine vinegar for a gentler tang or apple cider vinegar for fruitier notes, and add lemon zest for brightness. If you like a kick, sprinkle in a pinch of chili flakes or swap sugar for honey for depth. Pour the mint sauce into a clean jar and refrigerate, where it will keep for about 2 weeks. Always use a clean spoon to maintain flavor and safety.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.